So the idea here is, while looking at the different kind of conversations and interactions that I had with ChatGPT, my personal model over the past period of time, so ChatGPT is building connections regarding me as a person, as a user. So linking and bridging my professional conversations, my personal conversations to my passions and other elements, so that it builds like a comprehensive profile of who I am, to fine-tune and refine the responses and the output to towards the maximum utility that it can provide. Now, we're talking in a professional context. Copilot basically it's a tool which is pretty much like ChatGPT, but which is used within the context of an organization or a firm or a company or startup or a community. So basically what happens, Copilot is a link to, say, an email or Teams, or Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft Teams, which basically incorporates interactions and conversations and tasks of people who are part of a certain organization. So basically, if we look at a professional email, it would include emails from different parties and different actors within a certain organization about different topics, different projects, different tasks, etc. All the email would provide interactions and conversations between the different actors, different people within a certain organization or certain community. Now we also have Microsoft Teams, which would provide a platform for interaction around different projects and including different teams of people. Now, the idea of the Copilot actually has access, because it's a model, it's an OpenAI model or a ChatGPT model, which is built on this platform, which is the Teams and the Outlook, etc., and all the other applications of Microsoft. So basically, it has access to all this kind of information. So each one of the users has access to their own Copilot.